Hello and welcome to today's class. Let's look at yet the second transcendental function of differentiation known as the logarithmic function. Last class we dealt with exponential function, which I believe you have watched. So let's look at yet the second concept called the logarithmic function of differentiation. How does this works? So we'll take some few illustration to explain this concept here. So for instance, let's say I have that y is equal to log x. For instance, let's say I have y equal to log x. Please note that dy over the x here, dy over the x here will be equal to 1 over x. Please bear in mind, if I have that y equal to log x, please dy over the x will be equal to what there? 1 over x. Also note that if I have that y equal to ln x, please the y over the x here is also equal to 1 over x. Please, in calculus, we expect that you should know that log and ln are used interchangeably in this topic here. So we use log and ln interchangeably. So irrespective of either ln or log, if I differentiate them, I'll have 1 over x, 1 over x, right? So if I say log, what does it mean? It means naturally log x means log of x in base 10. That's mean of log. Something in base 10, that's log. If I say ln, it means that's log of a number to base e. This is called natural log of a number. So irrespective of their bases e or 10 here, note that if I differentiate log x, I want 1 by x, ln x 1 over x. The same concept applies. This is how basically log function works, right? So let's take a few problem to illustrate this. All right, let's take a few problem, please, to explain log function. So example 1. Example 1. Example 1. So let's say I have y equal to log in bracket 2x, for instance. Let's say I'm giving this kind of question. So how do I solve this kind of question? I said earlier in the last class that exponential function, logarithmic function, and trig function there, we use basically chain rule formula to get the answer. Let's not solve this man and then use chain formula at the end to get our answer. Now I'm saying that here's the concept, please. Still, the same principle applies. First task, call the term in bracket u. So I'm saying let u to be equal to 2x. First task, call the term in brackets, call it u. So 2x. Differentiate u with respect to x. I'll have du over dx. Sorry, yes. Equal to differentiate 2x, I'll have 2. That's all. Next task, but from the question I have that y is equal to log what? Log 2x. But 2x now is u, so I have to write log u. I have y, I have u. It means I'll have dy over du as being equal to, we said differentiate log x, 1 over x, differentiate log u, that becomes 1 over u. That's the concept, is 1 over u. All right, for me, please, using chain rule. So using chain rule, chain rule, I'll have that using chain rule. All I have here, I'll have that for chain rule concept, the y over the x is equal to, for the formula, dy over du times du over dx. This is the formula for chain rule. Proceeding here, I'll have that dy over the x. Please give me a value, please. What's the y over the u? The y over the u is of course 1 over u, so I have 1 over u times u the x. U the x of course 2, so I have 2, yeah. 1 times 2 is 2 over this u. So I'm saying that the y over the x is what? 2 over u. But my answer is not proper in this form. So in proper form, I'll have that the y over the x will be equal to 2 over, what is u? We said u is 2x. So I have 2x. This is my answer. But yet, I can still break this answer down. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. So my y over the x now, the y over the x becomes 1 over what there? 1 over x. This becomes my answer to this question after using the concept of log function of differentiation. So this is how you solve problem involving log functions of differentiation. Right, so let's take yet one more example to explain this. Let's take one more example. Example 2, example 2, example 2, example 2. Let's use something higher now. Let's say I have 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 8. All right, let's do this. Let's do this, please. By the way, log function also has a shortcut, right? When I discuss about exponential function, I give a shortcut to it. Similarly, this one too has its own shortcut, and I will show you in our next class. Not now, in the next class. So let's get this done. Let's get this done. Let's get this done. All right. Please, first priority is to call the term in brackets u. That's the first task. So let u, I'm saying let u to be equal to 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 8. That's first task. Call the term in brackets u. It's clear that I'll be having the u over the x as being equal to, please differentiate 4x cubed. I'll have 12x squared minus, please differentiate 2x squared. I'll have 4x. Differentiate x. 8 is a constant term. It's 0, so it's off. So my answer becomes 12x squared minus 4x. From here, that's my du over the x. But we said y is equal to log what? Everything here is what I'm having here, and everything here signifies what? U. So log u. I'm having y, I'm having u. Of course, I'll have the y over the u as being equal to, when I differentiate log x, I have 1 over x. Similarly, log u, I'll have 1 over u. At this point, using chain rule. All right, using chain rule, what I have there, the formula is given by the y over the x is equal to the y over the u times the u over the x. That's the formula. All right. Put in value, please. The y over the u. All right, that's 1 over u. That's 1 over u times u the x. That's 12x squared minus 4x. All right, I have this. This is now equal to, multiply this, I'll have 1 times everything here. That becomes 12x squared minus 4x all over, what's u? U is 4x squared, x cubed, 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 8. This becomes my final answer after differentiating this particular question. If you want to, you can choose factorize, right? For 1 2, so it's still okay. So that's a solved problem involving logarithmic function. Let's look at the shortcut involved in solving logarithmic function of differentiation in our next class. If you find this class helpful, do what you like, hit the question button, that means subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment if you like this video. Also, I just launched my website. To get interesting courses, to get interesting topics like this, you can visit my website at www.thenabrep.com. My website there, you can purchase different courses there and get a lifetime access to those courses. And also, do want to join my WhatsApp community. I'll drop the link to my WhatsApp group in the description of the video. So just check this video. You see a link to my WhatsApp group there. You can join and then we'll learn together. All right, see you in our next class where we'll look at the shortcut to logarithmic function of differentiation.